What up, guys? Welcome back to What's on the Tray. I'm Ethan. Quick question. Do you guys like fusion food? Like a mix of two different culture cuisine. Today I have something very special for you guys. Check it out. A Pollo Loco and Indian tikka masala. My favorite. Those two are my favorite. Now I'm gonna bring them together. Must be delicious. I can already taste it. The fired grilled chicken that is zesty with the lime that is marinated in. With the buttery smoothness, flavorful and rich masala. Some butter in it that makes it even. Wow. So I can't wait. I'm really excited. Okay guys, come on, chicken right here. Can you guys see that? I love the thigh. The thigh is like my favorite piece of chicken because it's so tender and juicy, full of fat, and it's just perfect. Okay? Look at that. That's how you do it. That's how you want to do it, guys. This is going to stand in place of the naan. And we got our wonderful masala. Look at that. Look at that. But on the description, it's actually masala plus butter. Magni. Alright, we got the Mexican rice right here, guys. This is exciting. Without further ado, let's do this. See that? Okay. Let's end this. Okay. Can you see that? Okay. And this, and we're gonna dunk it. We're gonna dunk this baby, and look at that. Wow. Look at this, drippy. Come on. I'm gonna take a bite. Take a bite over. Yeah. Oh yeah. This hits differently than just regular chicken tikka masala. This chicken is, with its zest from the lime, man, and fired grilled, woo, you taste it. Man, you guys gotta try this. Oh my God. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah, check that out. Guys, that was so amazing. Like, holy cow. All right, let's check this out, okay? Let's try this. Got my giant spoon right here, getting ready. Let's make a masala chicken masala burrito or something like that. I'm gonna do this like, see that? You see that? Dip it in. Oh my God. I already packed it up. Right here. Add some of this. What up? Oh, I'm ready. Check that out. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that? Oh, yeah. This flour tortilla goes well with the buttered masala. It's good. Wow, that was good. It goes well, right? The masala is very tomato based. Mexican rice is also tomato based. So feel like this. So close. Yes. Okay, the tofu that it came with anyways. None special. Firm tofu. Nothing to write home about. But this is something else. Jeez. I love El Pollo Loco chicken. When it just got out of the grill, oh my goodness. They're cooking it on the grill, on the fire grill. They're squeezing lime over it consistently to give it the zest. Is there avocado sauce? It's personally is my favorite sauce from El Pollo Loco. Smelling good. Smelling fresh. It's freshest. A bit spicy. What it tastes like is like avocado, cilantro, some diced onions, jalapeno. Maybe serrano because it's a little bit more spicy. Oh yeah! Here's the star today, guys. Right here, right here. Buttery smooth creaminess of the masala really coats the chicken and brings out its spice flavor. Go order yourself some El Pollo Loco. Thank you for tuning in today, guys. Overall, that was a really good meal. That was, I would give it a spanking 10 out of 10. It's that good. It's one of those things that you have to try in order to believe it. So, go get yourself some El Pollo Loco and some tikka masala. For the tikka masala, I would suggest having them to put no protein in it, just for the sauce, because this is a dunk fest. Oh yeah, that's what's up. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like, subscribe, and also that notification bell. It really helps a lot. And also, if you guys have any suggestions or anything you want to see in the future, please leave a comment down below. I would love to try your recommendations as well. Continue. Lights out.